Hi guys, good morning. It's March 2 and everybody hope good health and good wealth. I give you some info again from Low Carb. So this is my brunch. It's already 2 p.m. and I drink my black coffee. And this is my brunch. I just show you. And I thank God also, mayroon pa kaming food here in Abu Dhabi kahit nagigera. Yes, may mga bomb sa kalsada actually. And we pray lang na hindi tayo uh, masaktan, no? And I thankful all the soldier of UAE, Air Force na ginagawa nila yung kanilang duty to masild tong UAE and other country of Arabs na we are safe, no? All of Filipino OFW in UAE, Bahrain, Kuwait, Saudi, and hope everybody fine and kain tayo kahit natatakot tayo, we are stressed about our work, about our family. We need to eat our low carb food to be healthy, no? So, yes, ang sarap ng tulog ko from actually late na ako natulog kagabi, 2 p.m., 2 a.m. and nagising ako almost 12 p.m. na. So, ito na yung brunch ko. So, I take magnesium glycinate before I sleep. And ang window open eating ko is 2 p.m. to 10. But nag-change because of Ramadan, it's 4 p.m. to 12, no? It depends, no? So I just eat now my brunch. This is high protein and high fat. This is a beef and grinil lang sa air fryer with little salt and black pepper. I have already 3 eggs. Kunain na namin mag-ina. And I have avocado. Hati kami dyan. And also, probiotic kimchi. Gawa ko lang to homemade. So, dahil gutom si guts ko and I drink my warm water first with little pinch of salt in the morning before ako nag-coffee. So, buo pati. And I eat first always vinegar. And actually, gusto gumawa na anak ko ng avocado cake and preparing for all things. Ayan, nagre-ready na siya.